Yo, welcome back to another banger video. And today we finally got the grill in from Extreme Online Store. But make sure you guys check out Extreme Online Store. They got the best products, best carbon fiber. Check them out. I'll put the link in the description. I'm telling you, they got the best quality and they ship with care. So let's. Oh my god! And here it is. Go ahead and open it. Cut you my packaging, bro.
You saw the new M3?
I'm impressed.
Brother.
Bro, you ready? Oh, whoa. Guys.
Thumbnail.
Look at this jump. Let's put it up. If you guys haven't seen the previous video, that's when we removed the bumper. And I show you how to do it too. So if you're doing this, you can watch my previous video on how to remove the bumper. This clip out right here. You see this gray push pin or clip, whatever you want to call it. It just comes out. Pull that gray pin out all the way. When you pull this gray pin out, press down on it and then pull it out. German engineer. Pop this out with two hands. Boom. Okay. The parking sensors, we're gonna put them aside. You see all these clips? Gotta, let's see. Gotta bend it. No! 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 It broke! Alright. This was the easiest part. And guess what? It was a big... Look at these parts side by side. Got the regular, got the carbon. Carbon's a lot lighter. And I did get it with the ACC. This is the only option they had, so that's what I got. We're gonna get the grill on there and put the bumper on there before it gets dark. So let's get to it. This is real carbon fiber, you guys. It is a lot lighter than this one, which is crazy. These sensors, we're gonna remove it. There it goes. Second sensor going in right now. So we got the sensors in 1, 2, and now we just gotta pop it in. Grill going in. We'll start with the bottom. All right. Yep. All right, guys, we're gonna connect the sensors again. So that one's in. And then pop this one in. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Huh? What the? How does it look?
Like a BMW, a real one.
Yeah.
Bro.
Damn, son. Damn, son. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what this is for? For to get the leaves out, brother. To get the leaves out. Oh. Alright. Man. Damn it. Bro, I'm hitting the walls. Oh, god. I'm pissed. Alright guys, so here I'm just trying to line the bumper, get it in a perfect position so I can put the screws in, clip it in, etc. So make sure you align it perfectly so it's easier for you. We're going to install this top piece and install all these T30 screws. So T30 is going in first. So we're going to complete the upper. So let's fix the top. Probably hard to hear me, but we got the screws in, bit 30 screws. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, so for this part, I'm trying to align the bottom and trying to get the screws out, but I can't do it alone because you have to push on it. They're not lined up. So we're going to wait for Ben to get here, and I'm going to take care of everything else. And once Ben gets here, we're going to push it, or once one person is going to push the bumper in while we put the screws in while it's aligned. Or the holes are aligned. So let's do that. There's 8 screws here, and now we're gonna put this plastic piece that covers the back on it. Alright guys, we got Ben coming. Brother, I need your help. M5? Broke him in clutch. This guy only works on BMWs. Hell yeah. This man helped me fix my front bumper. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright guys, let's knock this out and I'll catch y'all after. Alright guys, so we got the mud guard in on this side. That's done. We just got one more remaining. So we're gonna put it on there. And that's it. This took me about 10 hours. Ben came and hooked me up, or helped me out. But let's knock it out. Golly, y'all. This looks crazy. Again, shout out to Extreme Online Store for hooking us up with the best carbon fiber products, which is looking beautiful. Only thing we got left to do is put the badge. So I'm gonna work on that and I'll catch you on in a little bit. All right guys, so this is how the grill is looking. I got the M3 badge on there. The competition didn't actually fit under it, so I could only fit the M3, which is fine. It still looks really good. I guess my car's not a comp anymore, y'all. But let me know what y'all think of that grill. And we also put these new badges on. These badges are from NorCal Dynamics. Please check them out. They got the best badges. Promise y'all. Oh my god, it looks crazy. Guys, I'm gonna end it right there. It's cold. But don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one.